Let's discuss the General Appropriations Act of 2025. Mabaya ko na ni rason nga nung nag-impeachment churvalo sila kay tungod para lang kayo ma-cover up ko nuning problema sa GAA 2025. Abot akong tinuod. Don't quote me, I'll deny. Unsa maning GAA 2025? In the simplest words, mauni ang budget sa Pilipinas for 2025. Kani-ganing pirmi isulti sa imong mama nga
Tarunga ginang budget diha or else wa na kay kanon at the end of the month.
This is my mom, by the way. She has been treasurer of numerous cities in her government career service, including Mandaue, Cebu, Pasay, Tacloban, Calamba, Pasig, San Fernando City, Toledo. Abot ko asa pa niya naabot. Mami, unsa bidi problema aning budget sa Pilipinas for 2025?
The budget has been at the center of a controversy regarding alleged blank appropriations.
Agoy, blank appropriations in the budget is mura ra pud kag nag-issue og cheque sa imong mama nga hilig kaayo mag-shopping sa Divisoria. Human gikawat kini sa iyang bag and gi-encash sa bangko, gigasto para sa lain. Kakuyaw!
Si former President Rodrigo Duterte and Davao City 3rd District Representative Isidro Ungap nag-claim nga ang Bicameral Conference Committee report contain mga blank items mostly for agriculture, irrigation, food stability, ug daghan pa others suggesting irregularities in the budget formulation.
Ang Bicameral Conference Committee is formed when the House of Representatives and the Senate of the Philippines, both comprising the Philippine Congress, dili magkasinabot sa ilang mga balaod nga gipasa.
Ang General Appropriations Act is a law. Balaod kini.
Kakuyaw kung naay blank items. Imagine na ay tawo sa kalibutan sa Pilipinas nga magbuot-buot lang og appropriate og kwarta sa taong bayan. Hoy, kwarta na gumikan sa singot og dugo sa Pilipino. Buhis ka na!
But ingon baya si President Bongbong Marcos nga wa gyud siya magkakitang blanco.
In fact, in his own words, during the IBP National Convention, I thoroughly reviewed the entire 4,057-page budget document before signing it into law and found no blank items. I cannot find those damned blank items.
Kini pod si Executive Secretary Bersamin gipasa ang sala didto sa BICAM Conference Committee. Ingon siya, ang BICAM Conference Committee man ang nag-forward ananamo ni pirma rami.
Ha? The discrepancy arises from the distinction between the Bicameral Conference Committee report and the enrolled bill. Unsa maning enrolled bill? Mao kini ang final bill nga gi-endorsed by Congress to the President of the Republic of the Philippines for his signature. And that signature will be the final step to make a bill into a law. Allegedly, kaning BICAM conference report nag-contain og blank and pending final computations.
And there lies the danger. Kinsa man gyud ay ang powerful diri nila, ang presidente o ang Speaker of the House?
As for accountability, the DBM or the Department of Budget and Management should be closely involved in this regard because they are presumably working closely with Congress para gyud kompleto ang budget.
Pero naalagi blank items.
If it is proven that blank appropriations were intentionally included in the final budget to allow for an authorized allocation of funds, it could constitute charges of malversation of public funds or other graft-related offenses under the laws of our country.
Padung na biya mo file ang usa ka NGO against Martin Romualdez, Saldico, and other congressmen.
Mas maayo pud na para gyud masuta kung tinuod ba gyud ni. The people should know.
Maubitaw, hapit naman yun ni ang pinili ay, or eleksyon, mas maayog yun nga pilion nato ang tao nga budipinsa sa atong katawhan.
Exactamente, Mother! Congressmen should scrutinize carefully the budget because that is taxpayers' money we are spending.
And public office is a public trust. If you break the trust,
Oh, sama ra na sa mag-uyab, mami. Kung wa na'y trust, buntis gid na padong.
pregnant with doubts, pregnant with lies.
Pregnant with corruption. Another day in the Oliva family, another regal POV.